Okay, good morning. Um, so actually yesterday in previous class we were discussing about web hosting. We were in the middle of web hosting, so just we will complete that web hosting and we will move to next topic. So actually we were in virtual private server, I think so. Actually, we have four types of hosting providers. One is shared hosting, another one is virtual private server, that means VPS, and dedicated server and cloud hosting. So according to our requirement, according to our business, and according to our website traffic and everything consideration, we have to consider all those things, and then we can take which is opt for us, whether shared hosting or VPS or dedicated server or cloud hosting. We can take as our wish. So if you are if your website is a small website, and if it doesn't have any much traffic to your website, and small traffic, small hits come to your website, so then you can use shared hosting. So most of the companies, when they start their website, so they first use a shared hosting, because at the starting time we won't get that much traffic to the website, so that's why they choose shared hosting first. Then if traffic increases, if hits most of the users coming to your website, so then simply you can move to another hosting. So another one is VPS. VPS means virtual private server. One physical server will be there. On that physical server, you will have virtual private server network. So you will be allocated to one of the virtual private server networks. So this is a little bit cost to share compared to share hosting. Share hosting you can get around 5,000 also. For you can take this shared hosting in BigRock or HostGator or Wix, any one of the hosting providers, from any one of the hosting providers. So VPS also you can take from knownhost.com, InMotion, anywhere. So but it may take per year you have to pay around 10,000 to 12,000 for this virtual private server. So another one is dedicated server. Dedicated server means for your website only they will create separate web server. So that is only, that server is dedicated to your website. So you cannot that server is not it will not be allocated to any other resources. So it will be allocated to only your resources. It is only dedicated to your website. So that's why it is called dedicated server. And one server is access is provided to a single client without any restrictions. You will have all the permissions in that web server. You don't have any restrictions in that particular server, but it will be a little bit cost effective. It will have you have to pay high amount, like per month you have to pay around minimum 5,000 rupees per month, because this will be used. Most of the large scale companies uses this dedicated server, because they will have more number of hits to their websites, lakhs of hits coming to their websites at a time. So then definitely they have to use these dedicated servers. Like websites, we can take example of irctc.com. If you just open irctc.com, it is very ctc.co.in. So it is a highly demanding website. This is because most of the people used to book their tickets, train tickets, or the flight tickets also you can book from this website. So this is very high traffic generating website. So definitely at a time lakhs of people come to this website. So that's why in this kind of situations you cannot take shared hosting for this kind of websites, because the site may crash, the server may crash, because more number of hits come to the website. So definitely server cannot maintain that many hits to the website. So in that cases the server may crash. So that's why in this kind of big websites, big traffic generating websites, so definitely they have to use dedicated servers. And even another one also we have, just we have cloud hosting also. We have, that means cloud hosting. In the cloud hosting everything is virtual servers. You will have virtual servers, and you have one flexibility in cloud hosting, that you can take particular space in that cloud hosting. And if you want to, it is very flexible. Like if you want to upgrade to that cloud hosting, just you can take some more, you can add some more space to your present space. If you have taken some space, so if you want to upgrade or degrade, it is very easy, very flexibility in this cloud hosting. and even it will be very cheaper than VPS hosting, but little bit higher than the shared hosting. So even it is cheaper than the VPS. So you can take around 6,000 to 7,000 per year also you can take. Even in cloud, you can take for 1 hour also. You can take some space for 1 hour. Hour basis also you can get, even days basis also you can get, monthly basis and yearly basis also you can get cloud hosting. And really it is very flexible. Like you can upgrade and you can downgrade yourself if you want to add more space. If you are getting more hits, then you can add some more space to your your present space. So like that, if you do, if you are not getting that many hits as you desired, so then you can downgrade, you can remove some of the space from the cloud. So this is very flexible, and now most of the companies are using even this cloud hosting also. So the example of cloud hosting is, we can say, very demanding services, Amazon Web Services, AWS. So this Amazon is providing this cloud hosting, and most of the companies nowadays are using this Amazon Web Services only, because this dedicated server is a traditional server. Because before cloud hosting, this most of the people are using this shared hosting and dedicated servers. These are all the traditional server mechanisms. So, but now now this cloud hosting and this VPS hosting are the this generation, this digital hosting technology. So most of the companies are moved to Amazon Web Services, but Amazon Web Services is not that much easy process. In order to link your website to this Amazon Web Services, it is somewhat difficult, and some technical people, some admin people, separate admin people will be available in Amazon Web Services in order to give access to, in order to provide space in the Amazon Web Services. You have to do some settings around. It takes some time, so it is not that much easy. Simply, you cannot simply add your website in the this Amazon Web Services. Separate Amazon Web Services admin people will be there. You have to take help of those people. Otherwise, you can even you can learn this technology also, but it takes some time. It's better to take, if you are a big company, then we can take the Amazon Web Services Cloud. See, before that, you have to create your account, and then you have to take some. You have to give your details and everything, and then you have to create your account, and then they are giving you. See here, this compute Amazon EC2 750 hours resizable computer capacity in the cloud. Another one is 1 GB. So it will be somewhat difficult. So that's why we have to take help of, in order to take Amazon Web Services. So definitely you have to take help of this Amazon Web Services. Admin people will be available. Definitely you have to take. So as a digital marketing expert, as a digital marketer, you don't need to know this technology, this Amazon Web Services, because this is another technology. But if you want to learn this technology, no issue, you can learn, because it will be added as an other another advantage to you. It will be plus to you. But it takes some time. You have to spend your time, and you can learn even by simply through this website. Also, you can learn what are the procedure, how to create this AWS account, and what kind of features are available in this, what kind of cloud hosting technologies are available, how to take cloud hosting. Some settings will be available. You have to, after creating account, you have to choose the plan, whatever the plan you want to execute, and then you have to add your website details, hosting that particular domain details and everything, and then you have to do some settings and everything, and then your website will be added into this Amazon Web Services. So this is the concept of web hosting. So So up to now we discussed in WordPress. We have discussed how to create domain name. We discussed how to create domain name and what are the characteristics of domain name. What can we can do, what we can use in while creating domain name, what we should not use, what we cannot add in the domain name. We discussed, and we also discussed the domain name suggestions. We can get the domain name suggestions in the leandomainsearch.com. We can use that leandomainsearch.com in order to get domain name suggestions. And we have also seen that how to register the domain name in real time. We took as an example of GoDaddy.com. We have seen, and then we have discussed about web hosting also. So what are some of the hosting providers are BigRug, HostGator, or Wixsite. These are all for shared hosting. So not only this, you can choose your own. If you know any other particular any other hosting provider, you can choose. These are all only I have seen these all those things. So these are all best as a in my view. These are all best. So if you know any other hosting provider, if it is best suit for you, then you can choose your own. So non-host also we can take for VPS, and dedicated server also we can take this one. And InMotion also right now actually InMotion is not working. I don't know what happened to that website. So Rackspace also you can take for dedicated. So Bluehost also for VPS and dedicated servers. So DigitalOcean also you can use for cloud hosting. Just we will see DigitalOcean once. So as again for cloud, Amazon Web Services we can take for cloud. So DigitalOcean, once we will see how the procedure will be in that. See products. Definitely you have to here also you have to sign up into account, and then you can choose your plan. Okay, just a second. Okay, they are giving that try free for 2 months. They are asking, so we can take. They are asking to uh, sign up. So you have to sign up, and then you can choose your plan. So this is the concept of web hosting. So and then we are going to move to next topic, that is website. This is the another topic. So these are all in WordPress only. So what is website? So till now we have discussed domain name and web hosting. So now we will discuss what is website. So in internet, if you want to get any information, if you want to know any regarding any information, any service, if you want to know, and if you want to do anything through the internet, definitely you can do only with the help of websites. You cannot do anything in the internet without help of websites. So definitely you will get any information, you will get any service. So anything you will get only in the form of website only. So that's why website plays a vital role in the internet. So that means let's take example, when you open web browser, definitely what you are going to type, you just type google.com. So most of the people first they use it to type google.com. What is google.com? Google.com is a website. So maybe it is a search engine, but before search engine it's a website. So after website it's a, we can call it as a search engine, but it is also a website. So website is nothing but it's a combination of web pages. It's a group of websites, group of web pages. We can call it as a website, because this is nothing but the space what we are seeing. This everything is called web page. This is one of the web pages. So if you type something and then if you click enter, and then you are getting another web page. So this is another web page. So if you want to sign in, you just click on sign in, and you are redirecting to another web page. You are redirecting to another website. So if you don't have any if you don't have sign in to, if you are not a sign in customer, if you are not a customer Google customer, then what you have to do, you are going to click on create account, and you are going to get another web page. So like that you are getting no, if you don't have any idea on this creating Google account, what you are doing, you just click on help. So and you are going to support.google.com. So this is another web page. So that means it's a website is nothing but it's a combination of web pages, combination of web pages. So Google is a search engine, but before search engine, it's a website. So let's take another example. Just I'm typing facebook.com. What I got? So facebook.com is nothing but it's a website. So when I type facebook.com, I got Facebook login page. So this is even though it's a social media network, but before social media network, it's a website. So like that, you can type anything. So just I'm typing twitter.com. So twitter.com it is also a social networking site, but before social networking site, it's a website. So like that, we can take any website in order to. So even irctc.co.in. What is this irctc.co.in? It's also a website. It's also a website. So you are having this login page and everything you are getting here. And when you log into this providing this login credentials, you will get the train details from towards us. And after entering train name, and you will get what are the available seats are there and everything you will get, and you will be redirected to another web page. So if you want to, so you can, if you want to check any other, see, book meal, e-catering, tourism. If you want to book flight tickets, and even you can also click this on the flight on this particular menu, on flights menu, you can click on that particular category, and you will be redirected to this a.irctc.co.in. Here you can check from how from where to where you want to book the tickets, and everything you can choose your own. So this is also another website. So, but this is sub website. This is subdomain, because this is the main website irctc.co.in. But here, this is a air.irctc.co.in. This is the sub website of irctc.co.in. So in this website, we have two types of websites available in the market. So one is a static website, another one is dynamic website. So static means it's nothing but it's a combination of HTML and CSS. It's a static website. It won't be changed anytime. So if you have one website and it won't changes, that website won't be changed at any time. At lifetime, it will be as it is. It will be intact, and it won't be changed in the future. So then we will call it as a static website, and it won't have any user interaction. So it is like that only. Whatever, when you have created that website, and when there are no changes in that website, and if there is no any interaction of the user with that website, so then that website is called static websites. So let's take example of static websites. So let's take what are the static websites available. Just I will check. So let's take example of static website. Means if that when we are talking about static website, that information should be only we will get only information on that particular website, and that information won't be changed at any time. So that is called static website. But right now most of the people are not using static websites, because most of the people are using, because no website, we cannot get any static websites in this today's world, because there may be have, but we are not getting here. So actually it is only used to display the information, and it won't be changed at any time, and there won't be any user interaction. But right now any websites, you take example of let's take example of uh, irctc.co.in. So this is not a static website, because the information is not a fixed, and it will be changed time to time. It will be changed time to time, and definitely there is a user interaction with this website, because you can just type your user ID and password, and then captcha, and then you can log in. That means interaction is there, and after logging into this website, you can book your own tickets. You can book tickets, and you can check your tracking, you can check your booking history, and everything you can do. You can take the printout. That means it's an interactive website. So this is not called as a static website, because this is a dynamic website. So like that, if you take any example of any website, so let's take facebook.com. Just So when you type facebook.com, so definitely you are getting one page. So here, if you type your mail ID and password and click on login, you will be redirected to Facebook that particular another login home page. So this is also not a static website, because it's a there is an interaction, and there is an interaction between the user and the particular Facebook, because you are typing your mail ID and password and clicking on login, and you are be redirecting. That means you are interacting with the Facebook, and the information which is available in the Facebook is not fixed, and it changes time to time. So that's why you cannot say this is also a static website. So that's why in industry right now, most of the people are using these dynamic websites only, and no one is using static website, because there is no use of by using static websites. So previously when there were no dynamic websites, so at that time people are using only HTML and CSS. HTML is nothing but it's a hypertext markup language, which is used to create it's a client side technology. That means whenever you want to create any client side technology, that means it works only on the client. That means the website what you create with the HTML, it won't work in the web server. So how we store our web pages in the web server, it won't be worked in the web server. So that's why we use it as a only client side technology, and we use it only for the client purpose. That means in the client side purpose only, and even we use some CSS cascading style sheets in order to design the website. We use that cascading style sheets. So this hypertext markup language is used only in order to create the static pages and give the static information. So let's take any the example as we do. But some of the news websites we can most of the people call it as a static website, but I don't think so. That let's take example of the Hindu. Definitely, there won't be any user interaction here, but we cannot call it as a static website, because the information is changing time to time, and this is not only created by the HTML or CSS. They used some server side technology, like that means they used some .NET or Java or PHP. We don't know what language they have used. Just a second, we'll check. Okay, they have used, I think, .NET they have used. So they have not used any HTML or CSS in order to create this website. They used separate technology, server-side technology they used. That's why you cannot call it as a static website. Even though, and even you can even interact with the this website also, because some comment section will be available in these news websites. So you can even comment. See here, post a comment. So that's why you cannot call news websites also as a static website. But most of the people say news websites are static websites, but I don't agree, because there are also changes time to time, and there is also in news websites also we have user interaction, like commenting on the particular article or any debate. See like this. If you click on post comment, you can comment on that particular on this particular issue, on this particular article. You can comment on your own whether it is good or bad or anything. You can just click on the post a comment, and you can type whatever you want, and then you have to provide your name and your mail ID, and then you have to click on post. Then your comment will be moderated, or that will be uh, the comment will be moderated, and then it will be published in the website. So this is not at all, we cannot say this is a static website, because there is a user interaction. You are commenting on the particular article, you are doing something on this website, so then you cannot call it as a static website. That's why I'm saying most of the no static website, no, most of the people are not using static websites right now, because definitely if your goal is to interact with the user, definitely you have to create dynamic website. So dynamic website is nothing but it's a dynamic website is nothing but it's a, there is a user interaction will be there, and the website is developed with the server side technologies, like this we can use the people may use Java or .NET, PHP, any other technologies they may use, and they develop this technology by using the server side technologies, and there is a user interaction in that particular website. So in dynamic also we have two types of websites. One is custom and another one is CMS. So custom is nothing but we can create on our own. So let's take example of when we are taking this the Hindu as an example. So this is a customized website. This is not a ready-made website. This is a customer website. How we can say this is a customer website? Because they have designed their own. So in this particular top menu bar, they have created their own Facebook icons and everything. And here e-paper, and here search button, and here they have created this their logo, and then today's date and today's paper and e-paper link, that is, and then menu bar, and then one highlighting article, one big photo, and that particular title and description, and who have written that article, and when they have written that article. And then this side we are getting thumbnail of that particular article, and then some other category and that article related title, and we are getting like that up to 4 or 5 items, and then some just in breaking news, some box is there. So this is customized. So they customized according to their requirement, according to their news requirement. This company, these people customize their website. So this is called custom website. This is not a fixed. This is not a ready-made website. This is not a static website. This is a customized website and dynamic website. So in dynamic websites, we have two types, that is custom website, and another one is CMS. So that means content management system. So and we can call it as a ready-made templates. So so this is not a ready-made template. So this is customized website. So even in future, if they want to change this, no, they are not. If they want to change this particular web page layout, so even they can change this layout, because this is a customized website. So even we can take any other examples. Uh, the Times of India we will see. So this is also a customized website. So Okay. So see here, this is also a customer website. So they have designed one big picture and then title, and then they have given top news section over here like this, and then in the left side, in the bottom, latest news and some one by one the titles are given, and then here entertainment in this section also, some one by one, some 10 3 3 6 3 9 10 10 10, 10, 10, 10 articles are given. So like that, they customized on their own. This is also a not a static website, and this is also not a fixed website, ready-made website. So this is also a customized website according to the requirement. They customize it. In future, if they want to change this customization, also they can change this layout. Also, they can change it, and even they change time to time. So even if you see example of NDTV, so they change time to time. They change their layouts. So for even for around 2 months or 3 months also, they will try to change their layout. So before that, it was like, one big one slider will be one slider was there, and then some 5 to 6 articles were sliding in that particular area, and then some of the latest news, some articles were given here. But today, now they have changed everything. The layout was changed, and then see here, though now they have changed everything. So time to time, according to the requirement and according to the user's perspective, they change these layouts time to time, because it's not a fixed website. It's not a ready-made template. So that's why we can change it. We can customize this website time to time. So this is also a developed by, we'll see. Yes. Okay, this is also developed by .NET technology. Yes. Okay. So this is the concept of dynamic website. So in dynamic websites, customized website. So and then we will talk about CMS. So CMS is nothing but content management system. That means it is a ready-made application which can be used for the multiple purposes. That means if you don't have time, and if you don't want to develop that website, so if you want to develop any website, so definitely um, you have to take the you have to contact to the customer, software company, and you have to give your requirement, and then according to your requirement they will develop in the any one of the popular languages. Like if we have seen ndtv.com, so in order to develop this website, so definitely it takes some time. So and you have to spend some time, and even you have to spend a lot of money. So even though you have given the software company people also will take minimum three months to 6 months in order to develop this website. So nothing will happen overnight. So definitely you have to wait. No, you don't have, when in some cases that companies may not have that much time to wait, and they don't want to develop their websites by using these software languages, and they don't want to give that website to companies, and they want to develop on the spot. So that means overnight they want to develop. So is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Even in overnight also you can develop website with simple tips. So that is nothing but That is the concept of CMS. So CMS is nothing but it's a ready-made template is available. So according to your requirement, according to the requirement of your business, or according to the requirement of company or website. So according to the, what kind of topic, what kind of category they are going to deal with. So definitely they can choose the appropriate template, and they can simply customize that particular template according to the requirement, and they can go for that particular website. So this is very simple application. So that's why most of the people are using this CMS concept. So most of the companies are using this CMS, and it is very easy to develop the website. So before CMS, so there was no, when there was no CMS, so people who wants to develop any website, so definitely it was very difficult, because definitely in order to develop websites, so definitely they need to have a knowledge, and they should have knowledge and software languages like, as we discussed with this Java, PHP, or any .NET or any other technologies which are available in the market. So definitely, in order to develop website, you should have the knowledge on that particular software language. So when the company people may not have the knowledge on the software particular software language, because they may be related to another fields. So that's where they have to contact to the any software company which is developing these websites, and then they have to give the project to that particular people, and they take some time and they take some money, and then they develop the website, and then they will give it to the particular company. So it takes minimum 3 to 6 months. So definitely it takes minimum 3 months to 6 months. It will not happen overnight. So when there is no time with them, so definitely they have to, even for their website also, they have to wait. They are insistingly, forcibly they are waiting in order to complete the website. So but today we cannot, we don't need to wait that much time. Within 1 to 2 days also, simply with simple tips, with fingertips also, we can develop the website by using the concept of CMS. So that's why most of the people are now using the CMS concept, and they are creating the website, plenty of websites by using this concept of CMS. So popular CMSs in the market, what are the popular CMSs are available in the market are, one is WordPress. So what we are talking about till 3-4 days, that is the concept of WordPress. WordPress is nothing but it's a CMS, content management system. It's a ready-made template we have, and we can create the websites easily by using this WordPress software. So another one is, even not only WordPress, we have many kind of CMSs available in the market. Another one is Drupal also we have, and another one is Joomla also we have, and even Magento also we have, and Magento also we call it as, and Magento, and OpenCart also we have. So if you want to develop any news related website, or if you want to develop any entertainment related website, or if you want to develop any organization website, company's website, or if you want to develop any e-commerce related website. So like that, if you have any requirement, your own requirement, definitely you can use any kind of website you can develop by using this CMS concept. So simply you can choose, if you want to develop your WordPress, but most of the people are using WordPress. So 70% of the market is occupied with the WordPress. So popular CMS is WordPress. So then Joomla, Drupal, Magento, OpenCart are other popular CMSs, but most of the people are using WordPress as their CMS. So but in order to, especially if you want to create like e-commerce websites, like if you want to create e-commerce websites like flipkart.com. So when you want to create your website with this kind of like this e-commerce website, so definitely you can use WordPress, but even this Magento and OpenCart are the only specially designed for this e-commerce website. So whenever you want to develop this e-commerce web CMS, so then you can use Magento and OpenCart. Even WordPress also you can use, but this Magento and OpenCart are only for the e-commerce websites. So and then so this Drupal, Joomla, and WordPress you can create for any other CMSs, any other particular organization, any company website or any other organizational websites, any news websites, any of the websites, any informational related websites. So for that you can use. So we discuss WordPress in detailly. So just we will check Drupal. So uh, what kind of Drupal.org. So we are the leading open source CMS for ambitious digital experiences that reach your audience across multiple channels. So because we all have different needs, so Drupal allows you to create a unique space in a world of cookie cutter solutions. So Drupal for developers, Drupal for marketers, Drupal for agencies. See, this Pinterest is created with Drupal. So this Pinterest social media network is there, no? So they are saying that they were created this Pinterest by using this Drupal. So most of the companies uses Drupal. Some of the websites also are there. They use this Drupal. So just what you have to do, just you have to download the Drupal software, and then you can create that particular you can choose your own layout. So you will get some layouts in that particular Drupal layouts. Just you will check. We click on try Drupal, what will ask. This is a try Drupal build on Drupal 8 for free. Try Drupal 8 for free. They are giving you options. So take any one of the option, and you can take the this Drupal. So just we will click why Drupal. So just we will check case studies. So why people are choosing this Drupal. So what are the websites created by using this Drupal? They are giving you options. See here. So National Nurses United. Just we will check. See here. So this website was developed by Drupal. So you don't need to give the you don't need to take any server side technologies in order to create a website. So simply they have created this website by using this Drupal software. See here, even menu bar is there, their logo and everything, social media links, email address, sign up, join also their sign up is there. So same like, so whatever the when you customize your website by using any software technology, so how it looks, so the same layout will be available in the any of the CMSs. So just this is also same looking. So even social media buttons are there. So this just affiliates campaigns organized. So this is the organization, I think so. So they have created simply by using this Drupal. Even you will get this Drupal, what we can say, this Drupal themes also we will get. So just we will check Drupal themes. See here. So 2017 best Drupal themes. You can check by going. So you can select your own theme according to your business, or which is suitable for your business. So you can choose your own theme. See here. Support ultimate responsive Drupal 7 and 8 theme, and this is progressive. And even you can browse by category also. So what exactly your category? Sort by just a second. Yeah. If you want to create a entertainment blog on Drupal, just we think. So then we click on entertainment. Then you will get. So this is we will just check the preview. So they are providing this particular Drupal theme for $48. So if you give $48 to them, then they will give you this layout, this theme. So $48 means how much it will be in Indian rupees. 3,117 rupees. So around 3,200 you have to spend. So if you spend around 3,200, you will have one website. You will get simply within the fraction of minutes with low amount, with less amount. So you cannot develop a website with that less amount. So around 3,200, any software company cannot create the website. So but with simply by using these technologies, by using the CMS, so definitely you can get the website simply. See here, this is the layout of that particular theme. So you can get theme like this. This is the layout of this theme. So when you purchase this website, when you purchase this theme, you will get the layout like this. So they are giving you demo. So like this your theme will be available. So according to your requirement, you can change the content, and you can change the menu bar and everything. You can change according to your requirement and according to your business. So if you want to buy this, Drupal theme, just you click on the buy now. Click on the buy now, and then they are giving you regular license 48 rupees. So when you pay 48 rupees, so definitely for the lifetime you can use this Drupal theme, quality checked by Evanto. This is the Evanto providing theme. So future updates, any future updates are there, definitely they will give you. So 6 months support from the themes. So they are giving you even 6 months support also. That means if you get any problem while installing this theme, or while customizing this theme, customizing the layout, so if you get any problem, so definitely they will provide you any kind of support. Just a second. So but if you want to extend support to 12 months, so that means if you want any support from them up to 12 months, then you have to pay again for $14. Again extra $14 you have to pay. If you don't want to pay, just click on uncheck on that particular, and then $48 you have to pay. So then same how do you do online shopping? Just like that, add to cart, and then just sign up to, if you are a customer to this particular uh, you have to sign in into this particular. If you are not a sign in, if you are not a customer, if you don't have account in this, then you have to just check what will happen. So add to cart, just go to checkout. You have to create the account. If you don't have account, just you create the account, and then next, and then you sign into the account, and then you can do the payment through the online, either by using net banking or credit card or debit card. So then they will provide you some zip file. So some zip file they will provide you, and then that zip file, the zip file you have to install into your that particular website. So on the particular Drupal software you have to install that. Then your website will be ready. So, but in order to get website, in order to create a website, definitely before creating the website, what you should have domain name, and you should have registered before only you have registered your domain name, and you should have web hosting. So then only you can host that website into that particular software you have to host into your server. So then only your website will be you will get your website in the live. So that's why before going to buy the particular theme or any theme, definitely you have to you should have domain name. You should be keep ready with your domain name and the web hosting. So then only you can go with the this themes. Even if you want to develop your website also, you have to you should have before you should have you should have server, and you should purchase server and the domain name. So these are all the related with the Drupal. So like that you can get any most many kinds of themes are available. You can just check, but around any theme will be cost around $50, $60. That much cost only will be there. So you can simply buy around 4,000. If you put around 4,000 or 5,000, you can get some good theme. Okay, so this is the concept of Drupal, and then we'll discuss Joomla. So what is Joomla? We'll discuss. Just I am typing Joomla. See Joomla.org. See here. So Joomla is also a most used WordPress, most used content management system. So just you have to download this software, and then you have to install into your web server, and then after installing this Joomla into the web server, and then on that particular Joomla software, you have to install the theme. So any WordPress any content management software is like that only. So if you want to work with WordPress, then you have to download your WordPress file, and that you have to install in the server, and then you have to install your theme, whatever the theme you purchase, that you have to install on the particular either if it is a WordPress, you have to install in the WordPress. If it is a Joomla, you have to install in a Joomla. If it is a Drupal, you have to install in a Drupal. So like that. So you have to download the particular one, and then you will see. So download Joomla here option. So you launch the Joomla and try Joomla. They are giving you a demo version for 90 days. So there will be available plenty of options will be available. So after clicking, after seeing, just we will see what are the Joomla themes are available. Even we will get some free themes also will be available, like WordPress we get free themes. So even in Drupal, in Joomla also we will get free themes, but they are limited versions. So you won't have all the options in that particular free themes. So you can also use free theme, but you will have limited options. You will have limited categories. So if you want to do any extra, if you want to add any extra widget, any widget or any plugin, if you want to add, so definitely you cannot add. Some of the features will not be available in the free theme. So that's why if you buy the theme, so you will be enabled to all the features. See here, these are all the themes. So Flex, multi-purpose Joomla template. So Penta and response to business Joomla template. So around $58, $58. So same like that, only around 4,000 to 5,000 it will be there. So just we will check any technology related if you want to. See here. These are all the themes available. You can check each and everything which is suitable to your website. You can choose your own theme. Same, this is also same like if you want to buy, let's suppose if you want to buy this theme, just click on the preview. You can check the preview, how it looks, how your website looks when you install this theme, how your website looks. So like that, your website will look like this. And then if you want to buy this one, just click on the buy now, and then same procedure for $48. So add to cart, so price in US dollars, so add to cart, and then same option. Same, go to checkout. If you have an account, you can directly check out, or if you don't have account, you just sign up first and then click on the next and you pay the amount. Okay, so this is the concept of Joomla. And next we will see Magento. So just we will check what is Magento. So, but this Magento and OpenCart, as we discussed, this Magento and OpenCart is used for the e-commerce. Most of the e-commerce websites use this Magento CMS. See, Magento keynote speaker. See, who are the clients of Magento? They are providing some of the great companies provide Magento. These all websites are even Coca-Cola also using Magento. See here, let's see how happy Tom Dex and Care. Yes, we will click on any one of the. Um, See, this is the story of their particular client. So they are providing, these are all the clients of Magento. So these are all e-commerce platforms only. These are all, I think so. So these are who are the customer clients of them. These are all e-commerce clients only. So you, on this kind of fashion, automotive, food and beverage, you can get any these kind of themes you can get in this particular Magento. Okay, just we will check Magento themes. We will check premium Magento themes. Magento templates. Premium Magento templates. Even we will get free templates also, but as we discussed, these are limited versions. See here, this is one of the e-commerce. You can take this one also theme. This theme name is some name is there. Solitro Octum. This one Solera. This one some names are there. So if you want to develop any e-commerce website, so you want to develop any e-commerce website and you want to buy the products like, sorry, you want to sell the products like how Flipkart is doing. So, but when you click on Flipkart or when you click on Amazon, so if you want to develop this Amazon kind of website, so definitely it will be very tough to create this website, because it takes much time, and it is a it takes high amount, huge amount you have to spend in order to create this website. But if you take Magento themes, any one of the theme, and if you want to if you get any your requirement related theme, you can get. So simply by simply taking the theme, and around this is for $98, this is also 98. If you like this theme, and if you just click on that theme, just you will see the demo. So you can simply get the theme. See here, this theme name is Behars. So if you pay $98, so that you will get the theme. So like that, you can see how it's also looking like the Amazon only. So Amazon e-commerce site only it's looking like. So if you pay $98, so $98 means, I think so, around $98 in around 6,490 rupees. If you pay 6,500 rupees, so you will get the this particular e-commerce theme. So you can simply use this theme, and you can do some simple changes. You can do some simple customization. You can do if you are a customer, or if you are a seller of some any specific brand, you can see here same like how the other e-commerce websites are. They same, you will have a same navigation will be there, the same will be there. You can click here, just see. If you want to buy this shoe, just click on the shoe. Just see here, same what are the navigation is there, how the it's looking like same, or how do you see in Flipkart, Amazon area, any other e-commerce website. So this is also same, look like same only. So add to carts, and then quantity one, add to cart, then click on that particular cart. If you are you have to sign up that particular. If you are a regular customer, you just sign into your website, sign into your account, and then buy the product. So very how simple it is. So with the only 6,500 rupees, you are going to own your e-commerce website. So then you can place your products into that e-commerce website, and you can buy, you can sell the products with easily. So how easy it is. If you want to develop this website, customize your website by using, if you want to customize on your own, so definitely it takes much time. Definitely they cannot provide you that software companies may not provide you a website with the 6,500, with that nominal 6,500. They will not provide you. They take lakhs of rupees in order to create this kind of website. So that's why the CMS is playing a vital role in this. Any of the websites, simple tips, with simple tips. Just if you want to buy this, just click on the purchase, and then simply you can purchase this particular and this theme within fraction of minutes. You can purchase this. You have to sign into this particular. You have to provide your personal information, name, email. If you have website, just type the website. So username, password, confirm password. If you have any coupons, just in order to get discount, if you have any coupons, just click on the coupons, enter the coupon code, and then click on the next. So then you will get that particular zip file. So as we discussed, so you have to install that zip file into the your server. So whatever the server you take, so in that web server, you have to install in that zip file into the server in the name of, in the particular Zomato software, sorry, in the particular Magento software. So if you like any other theme, just you can check. Plenty of themes are available. You can check according to your business which is suitable to you. Just you can check whatever the theme is available. So there are plenty of themes available. So around 6,500, you are going to get the e-commerce website with freely. So this is the concept of the CMS. This is the power of this popular CMSs. So even OpenCart is also there. Just we will check that OpenCart also. So this is also a popular e-commerce themes you will get in this OpenCart. So you can choose on your own. So what you can choose, if even OpenCart also provides you best theme. So you don't need to worry whether whatever is compatible, flexible to you. Just you can choose either Magento or the OpenCart. So this is also same. You have to download that particular OpenCart, and you have to install this particular OpenCart software into your web server, and then you have to install your theme, whatever theme you choose. that you have to install into that on the behalf of the on the platform of OpenCart. So just we will see OpenCart themes also, what are the OpenCart themes are available. See here the best OpenCart themes, top OpenCart templates. Your store, this is one of the OpenCart theme, your store. So just a second, see here. We are getting this Joomla. Just a second. Yeah, this one Rockwell. The theme name is Rockwell. So responsive and minimal theme. You can choose this theme also. If you want to live preview, just click on live preview. Okay, any issue is there? I think so. Yes, we will see any other themes. We'll check on this one. Just a second. Just see, we will check this one. Selligence. The name of the theme is Selligence. This is also OpenCart theme. See here. So it will be look like this. So you will get, if you want to give any sliders, any offers related or anything, you can give in this particular slider simply. So you don't need to spend much time in order to create the websites nowadays. So best just simply choosing your business according to your business themes. Just choose your themes, but you have to spend some time on these themes, because in order to get your own theme, in order to get your the particular appropriate theme, definitely you have to search. You have to search in internet what are the best themes available. Just you can check these are all the specialties what are available. This is the concept of this theme. If you want to buy this theme, if you like this theme, and this is the menu, so the accessories, any if you want any bags or shoes, watches, so according to your business you can change this menu also. So if you are not if you are dealing with only any home needs, if you are dealing with only home needs, just you can place you can remove all these menu items, and then you can provide your own menu items. So if you want to buy this one, just click on the buy now. You can buy this one only simply with 39 rupees. You can simply buy this one. Add to cart, same the procedure. So whatever the procedure is available, the same procedure previously we have seen. The same procedure you have to pay only for. You have to pay $39 only. $39 means how much? ₹2,582. Around 2,600 rupees. You are going to get this theme. How simply you are getting the e-commerce theme. So this is the concept of a popular CMS market. So WordPress. So we discussed Drupal, Joomla, Magento, and OpenCart. So from next class we will discuss WordPress. So how to create the WordPress website. So how to create the how to choose this WordPress and what are the themes available, what are the plugins available, um, whatever the widgets are available. So everything we will discuss in detail from the next class. So that's why I didn't discuss this WordPress. So this Drupal, Joomla, Magento, OpenCart, I hope you understood. So this WordPress is a big topic. So I want to discuss more on this WordPress, because most of the people are using even WordPress only. So unlike this Drupal, Joomla, Magento, or OpenCart, most of the people are believing, and most of the people are trusting WordPress. It doesn't mean that we should not believe all those things, but these are also very good. We will get very good templates we will get even in this one also. But WordPress is occupied with more market, so most of the people are using WordPress. So that's why we will discuss, because this is very flexible and very user friendly. You will get, so simply, even if you don't have any knowledge, and if you don't have coding knowledge, if you don't have any software knowledge, if you are a normal, if you are not a technology person, so even if you are not a technology person also, you can simply use this WordPress. Because how like we use some normal people also, how they use the smartphones. So like that much user friendly the WordPress will be there, and with simple tips, with simple techniques, so you can develop your own website by using WordPress. So regarding WordPress and everything, how to create websites and how to create the how to download this WordPress software, and how to select the theme, how to install the theme into that web server, and how to log in into that particular admin, and how to how to customize the WordPress website according to the requirement, how to add the plugins, and what are the plugins, and what are the widgets, and everything, each and everything we will discuss in detail from the next class. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.
To make the smart TV, yes, speaker director, you like to make the smart TV into audio.
Yes, yes. Okay.
उसके स्पीकर आते
भैया जरा देर तो दिया आपको।
नहीं जी काम में है ब्रो now we are getting in the option if you don't want to record mute yourself and don't share the screen options are available Pavan organize so yesterday we have done with the chart of accounts no last time skip अब तक क्लासेस भी yes आंध्र प्रदेश यूनिवर्सिटी